Welcome back to week 13. This is video number 3. Week 13 for Foundation 52 is all about knowing when to hire. In our first video, we covered hiring your first employee who's non-friend, non-family. In our second video, we talked about job descriptions. This video, we're covering ideal employee avatar. So if you remember in week 2, you created an ideal customer avatar. Now we're creating one for employees. This one's actually a lot of fun to fill out, and we love doing this with our clients. The value of the ideal employee avatar is that it really helps you understand what kind of people you're looking for on your team. So you want somebody who has a lot of experience, who is a family person, you want somebody who enjoys like adventure, somebody who, believes in ghosts, whatever. There's a ton of questions on the ideal employee avatar worksheet, which is included as a download this week. And again, you're going to walk through it just like you did with the ideal customer avatar. And you're going to be thinking about just like this one perfect employee. And not everybody that you hire is going to match that. But if you create the ideal employee avatar and then you build your job descriptions, at least thinking about like the company overview and the type of personality that you're looking to hire and how that works with your core values, it's just going to make it easier for you. And you're going to have this idea in your head. And I'm going to tell a little bit of a story here. I'm going to share a story with you. So Corey and I have a client who has some hiring issues, right? There's, a lot of reasons for the hiring issues, trying to find the skilled laborers and thinking about, right now, it's just a tough time to be hiring for some industries. And he typically is when they do hire, they end up with people who want to knock off work at 4:30 and head to the bar. And it drives him crazy, right? He's like, I don't want employees who want to be drinking every night. I want employees who are focused on the job and delivering high quality. And I don't care if they go home or go to the bar and have a beer or two, but I don't like people who are waiting for 4:30 in the afternoon so they can head out and start drinking. That's not who I want. I'm like, okay, well, then let's figure out why you're attracting that person. Like that type of person, if that's the employee that you're constantly attracting, why? What's happening there? Take a look at the job descriptions, take a look at the people that are already on the team. And even to the point of asking questions about, do you have alcohol in the office, right? Do you have a fridge full of alcohol that sort of sends a signal that, it's okay to sit and drink. And because that's what happens, right? Listen, no judgment, there's nothing wrong with it. But if you have alcohol around your office and you let people drink in meetings, you best believe that's the kind of people you're going to be attracting. Information like that travels fast. So walk through the ideal employee avatar and really hone in on what do you want? What are you looking for? And then take those attributes and the ones that you can put into the job description, put into the job description. You don't want to be like, obviously you can't discriminate. We all know that, but you can be very specific and clear about what you are hiring for and the type of environment that you are building. And then you set expectations with people. The ideal employee avatar is a tool to help you build a better team. And that is what we recommend that you use it for. So walk through the exercise. There's a lot of questions on there. Really, really think about it. And as we always say, the more detailed you can be, the better results you're going to get. Now go get started on that ideal employee avatar, and we'll see you next week.